Now that Disney has announced that when Moana Journey of Water opens, the Epcot overhaul will be complete, we can tell exactly how much of the original promised overhaul got lost along the way. The big Spaceship Earth reimagining was cut, or at least indefinitely shelved. The Play Pavilion, which would have been a huge boost for children's activities in the park, cut. The 3-story, beautiful-looking Festival Center, cut. The entire Mary Poppins expansion in the UK, also cut. Don't get me wrong, there are some really nice improvements and additions in this overhaul, but it's undeniably a bit sad to see just how far the project fell from what we saw in the Epcot experience just a few years ago. Hopefully with Iger back and a seemingly renewed interest in bolstering the parks, we might still see some more improvements to Epcot later down the line.